BIOUP is Polish brand of natural cosmetics. We make cosmetics for scalp care and face care. And starting for scalp, we have 3 water-based essences for falling out hair, for Be Pure for oily problematic scalp, and Be Happy to make your hair faster growing and be stronger. Then we have moisturizing peeling based on acids, but very gentle and very easy to apply and very easy to wash out. Peeling for scalp peeling, and stimulating oil serum. The rest of our cosmetics are for face care, starting for hydrophilic cleansing oil. When you combine it with water, it turns to very gentle, a little bit milky liquid. You can wash your face like with gel, also eye area. It's very good for makeup removal and just for cleansing face. With very nice after feel. The skin is very soft, comfort, non-oily and non-greasy, with a subtle lemon scent coming from organic essential oil. Then we have moisturizing serums. It's ceramide serum with prebiotics, panthenol and vitamin B12, revitalizing elixir, such an energizing serum. We made it as a primer for makeup, but you can use it in the morning and in the evening, just as a first step of daily routine. And pure hyaluronic acid, 3%. Intense moisturizing cream with ceramides. And a range of vitamin C serums based on oil or oils. We used only tetra vitamin C, so it's stable, gentle for the skin, non-irritating, and very potent anti-aging ingredient. We have 4% based on rosehip oil, raspberry oil, BIOUP, 8% papaya, guava, passion fruit, so exotic oils, and fresh citrus scent, and 15% based on pumpkin oil, ginseng, and amber. And this is luxury, very luxury, and with total nice after feel oil serum, one of our best sellers. We have also cosmetics for eye area, eye treatment. Concentrated eye serum with retinol, vitamin C, vitamin E, and coenzyme Q10 for night care. Eye latte, it's an eye cream which gives a skin elasticity, moisturizing, and prevent this dark circle appearance. With coffee, green tea, wine extracts. And espresso is a gentle oil to massage eye area. and to stimulate and also prevent lymph stasis. How to use our cosmetics? If you don't like creams, or you would like to take the best of active ingredients in serums, you can use just moisturizing serum, and after that oily serum with vitamin C. So that is sufficient skincare for most of skin types. So you can choose one of these and one of oily serums. If you like creams, you can use moisturizing serum combined with cream. Always the first goes moisturizing serum, then the cream, or the oily serum. If you have really dry skin, or the weather is very demanding for the skin, and you just like a little bit more on your skin, you can go for serum, cream, and the last step, oil serum with vitamin C. Oil serums are great for skin massage, and especially we recommended active serums with vitamin C 8% or vitamin C tetra 15% for massages, because this one, anti-aging, it can be a little bit too heavy for some skins for massage. These are perfect. The last one, it's a oily cream, no water inside, 93% of organic oils and butters, and this is very good for dry skin, for regeneration, for night restore, as a last step of skin care, or as protection cosmetics, for cold days. It's battery if you apply just a little bit, it makes your skin really smooth and soft.